If you're preparing for the SAP certified SAP SuccessFactors Variable Pay exam, there's something important you need to know. The new SAP performance-based exam format doesn't just test what you know, it evaluates how well you apply your knowledge in real business scenarios. You'll analyze requirements, interact with AI stakeholders, and defend your recommendations like an SAP consultant. In this video, you'll practice exam-style scenario questions and build the skills needed to pass with confidence. This certification focuses on configuring and managing SAP SuccessFactors variable pay programs, including bonus planning, eligibility rules, business goals, and payout calculations. Let's begin with a realistic exam-style scenario. Scenario 1. Annual bonus program design, AI stakeholder. Our company is introducing a new annual bonus program. Employees should receive payouts based on company performance and individual performance. We need a scalable variable pay solution. How would you design it? Consultant. Response. First, I would gather business requirements. I need to understand bonus target, eligibility, performance sources, budget, and calculation methodology. Next, I would create a variable pay template. The plan would include business goals, individual goals, weighting rules, payout calculations. For example, company performance equals 60%, individual performance equals 40%. The final payout formula combines both scores against the employee's target incentive amount. AI stakeholder. Follow-up. How would you ensure fairness across departments? Consultant response. I would standardize goal measurement frameworks, establish calibration processes, and use consistent rating scales. This ensures bonus calculations remain transparent and auditable across all business units. Scenario 2. Employee eligibility challenge. AI stakeholder. Some employees joined mid-year. Others transferred departments. Who should receive variable pay? Consultant response. Eligibility rules must be clearly defined. Typical criteria include employment status, hire date, organizational assignment, job classification. For mid-year hires, prorated payouts may apply. Transferred employees may require split allocations based on time spent in each department. I would configure eligibility rules within the variable pay template to automate these decisions. AI stakeholder. Follow-up. Why automate instead of manual adjustments? Consultant response. Automation improves consistency, reduces human error, and supports audit compliance. This is particularly important when thousands of employees are involved. If these SAP exam tasks feel challenging, practice is essential. Platforms like CertsHero.com provide realistic SAP exam simulation environments, AI role-play scenarios, flashcards, and SAP hands-on practice aligned with the latest exam assessment format. Now let's continue with another consulting scenario. Scenario 3. Bonus calculation discrepancy. AI stakeholder. An executive reports that bonus payouts appear incorrect. How would you investigate? Consultant response. I would follow a structured troubleshooting process. Step 1. Validate employee eligibility. Step 2. Review target incentive assignments. Step 3. Verify business goal achievement percentages. Step 4. Check calculation formulas and lookup tables. Step 5. Compare expected versus actual payout results. AI stakeholder. Follow-up. What causes most payout issues? Consultant response. Common causes include incorrect eligibility rules, missing employee data, goal import errors, formula configuration mistakes, outdated compensation information. A systematic review typically identifies the root cause quickly. Scenario 4. Executive goal alignment. AI stakeholder. Leadership wants executive bonuses tied directly to strategic objectives. How would you handle this? Consultant response. I would create business goals linked to measurable strategic outcomes. Examples include revenue growth, profitability, customer retention, market expansion. Each objective receives a weighting. Variable pay calculations then directly reflect organizational performance. This approach aligns compensation with business strategy and improves executive accountability. AI stakeholder. Follow-up. Why is goal weighting important? Consultant response. Weighting prioritizes what matters most. Without proper weighting, less critical objectives may disproportionately influence compensation outcomes. Scenario 5. Year-end variable. Pay launch. AI stakeholder. The fiscal year ends next week. What steps must be completed before launching payouts? Consultant response. I would execute a launch readiness checklist, validate employee eligibility, verify business goal results, confirm payout calculations, complete management reviews, test workflows, generate audit reports, validate compensation budgets. Only after successful validation would I release final payout statements. AI stakeholder. Follow-up. What is the biggest implementation risk? Consultant response. Insufficient testing. Even a small configuration error can impact hundreds or thousands of employees. Comprehensive testing is critical before production rollout. Today, you completed 5 realistic SAP scenario-based questions for the SAP Certified SAP SuccessFactors Variable Pay certification. You practice consulting conversations, business analysis, solution design, troubleshooting, and implementation planning, exactly the skills required in modern SAP exams. For more hands-on SAP practice, check out our SAP certification playlist. And if you're preparing for the actual exam, visit certshero.com for AI roleplay scenarios, mock exams, flashcards, and advanced preparation tools. Don't just study SAP. Practice SAP, because those who pass are the ones who can perform, not just explain. See you in the next SAP certification training session.